Yo medafo memo akwaba eba knowledge TV. Aha ena yesua ensemo a efa yankwaje eho. It is all about our salvation. Rade onshirawo sada wajibre na ohweme. Yesua ade bi afri Apostle Michael Olopo honomo. One yenkyerɛkyerɛ bi a ɔkyerɛ sɛ hia ehia yie sɛ yɛayɛ a Kristofo yi yɛbɛma nkonkono agya no atimi ade ɛwɔ yɛmu yɛhwɛ ɔfa a ɛdi kan ahwɛ mmienu ahwɛ mmiɛnsa yɛnkɔnkɔhwɛ deɛ ɛtɔ so ɛnan nsɛm a Apostle ɛka.
Why do you need fire? You need fire because it is fire that prepares the sons of God. It is fire. In Malachi chapter 3 verse 2, it says he will thoroughly purge the sons of Levi that they may bring an acceptable worship unto the Lord. If you are not purged, your brain may be right, but your spirit will be wrong. And if your spirit is wrong, your tongue is not needed. It takes the right spirit for a tongue to be let loose. If the sons of Levi are not purged, everything they know counts for nothing. Many people pride themselves in the places they've gone to, the training they've received, but the question is, where is the fire? When the fire does not come, the same tongue that prophesies is the tongue that gossips. The same heart that opens to receive God is the heart that harbors people. How can evil and good coexist in one man?
Bajo yenyina yetie nsem a Apostle eka no wose egya no nkonkuru gya no ene boa yen ma siesie yen se onyankopon ema nti okotu Malachi chapter 2 verse 3 no say ansana yesole ana yafodebo ebeso awurade ene no awurade say age se otie ho na sa ho tie na oka no wode ogya ena ebete ye ho enti no se betima nyankopon ma a wasiesie yen se enye de awurade pa na age se onkonkono egya no ekoso a edele ewo yemu na oka se yadwene ebetima ye right ewa ade bi ho ba na ye ho homo de enye right enu tiletimi ekoba se Yankopon ba na odi atoro etu obi so okeka obi wonsem na the same person no enso so esane ebo empire o cartons di utwa atoro okeka nsem to nipa so na o cartons e se wadwen no aye right se o cartons de ba o spirit enye right indi se onkonkro egya no ete honhom ho a ebe den se wo se nipa no obeye ade a entene yenko tie de etoaso.
How can light and darkness coexist in one man? Because the fire has not come. When the fire comes, it purges. Why fire torment demons? Fire purges the sons of God. This is why we enter into fire. This is why we receive the baptism of fire, so that we will become the witness that our generation is looking for. If that fire does not come, God cannot trust you. Even the ones Jesus trained, he told them to wait and receive fire first. It is the man that is on fire that I can trust, because that man constantly is being purified. If you cannot retain the fire of God, you cannot be trusted. It means other spirits are also having intercourse with you, because when God has intercourse with a man, he sets that man on fire. He said, kiss me with the kisses of thy mouth. Songs of Solomon chapter 1 verse 2, he said, thy love is better than wine. He said, because of the savory ointment of thy good name, he said, the virgins love you. He said, my beloved has called me to his bedchamber. We will not remember the testimony of the wine. We will speak only of thy love. That is intimacy with God. And when that intimacy comes, a passion is kindled on your inside that nothing can quench. That passion is what we call the fire of God.
Wow. Therefore, Apostle can say more. Apostle say, ade mo aye pa na ogya no entimi enne wase sede nkonkron egya no asolitia esum enwuma no saa na onyankopɔn man so egya no eye ho adwuma ate wo ho enti wontimi enkali esum na the same time wonsan so enkali ehan ekoba saa nyankopɔn enjiwo eni se ode the next generation I want to aso a eba no ebese onsa every say onye right ewo nenim ama ono apostle eka se o seletia obi a nyamija eni umo no ebe de se ono mpo obeseletew ana o se refer Peter edi Yesu Kristo achi asomafo no enyina achi no o sha ka kire omo se omo nkonko twen ekosi se onkonkro no ebeba nti se ya kan say ogya no antimi anya ye ho adwuma yie a na ye de sum ene han nenam na koba saa nyame angie ni amane ntimi mfa the next generation no enhye yensa nti egya no ena esiesie nyankopɔn ma na waka ade ababa besi odo a de bedo onyankopɔn eso yentie de twatwa.
And so when a man does not have fire, God can't trust his love for him. He said the love of many shall wax cold because iniquity shall abound. But when you keep your fire, it means you are living above iniquity. And so God can trust you. My God. Time is vaporizing. Time. Aliyah, Aliyah,
okay, medafo na sede etie eno no apostle akane nyina wase se ogya no ema ya onyankopɔn edoye ya enye yie anunti na waka se bibredo ano abadwo efise omuni egya eno ko 2 Sons of Solomon chapter 1 verse 2 say wase medofo famfiano konkron efe memano enti se odono ebetimi awie peye wetima do nyankopon ato akoso mfa ne yebesi ado nyankopon ama nyankopon so atimi adowa na kire se egya no eho na se oni awade awale no ebeso a na isi gyabi ede ebe ewo mu awade omoaye na onfa egya no enkoso a enti ye ho yebehwe de etoso enti no koso a na subscribe Michael S. Ade TV Facebook ni ye Joseph Japan Macrao tapofro no yebehia awade onye okese